My friends, Coach Vigue, welcome to this basic beginner Pilates core workout, working our abdominals, our hips, our lower back, and our glutes. All body weight, no weights, no machines of any kind. I want to take away the fear of Pilates. So invite friends to join you. We're going to breathe in the nose, out the mouth, modify as needed, and always use control, and we will build strength, flexibility, power, and so many things that we don't even know yet. Let's begin on our backs. You can always place a towel on the back of your head or a pillow. We'll start with windshield wipers, and the sprinklers have ignited. Tips of the toes down, arms here or out here. We're going to slowly drop those legs side to side, breathing in the nose and out the mouth. Make it so you could do this anywhere, anytime, to build that strong center outward. There we are. The beautiful world of Pilates mat training. Take it anywhere and youthen yourselves. Let's do it 2 more times each side, using that smooth focus. Massaging the lower back 1 more time to each side. Feeling the stretch and the twist. Lengthening down the spine. Always expanding, always expanding. All right, feet flat. Knees bent. Hands on the thighs. Head can be down or off the mat, shoulders back and down. We're going to exhale, press into these. What are these called? My legs, my thighs. Press into it. On the exhale, inhale, come back slightly. Now bring the focus into here, into the abdominals. Let it carry into your lower back. Press. As you exhale, draw that belly button down. Think of vacuuming out the abdominals, vacuuming out the lungs of all the breath. Don't the sprinklers remind you of the opening to Caddyshack? If they don't, they do now. All right, you want more? Come to tabletop position. Feet together, knees together, and we press. Hold it here. Each exhale, pressing a little more, flattening the abdominals. Working the hip flexors right here. Let's do 3 more breaths. Oh, there's that press. All right, windshield wipers once again. Drop, extend the top leg out a little further. Getting some beautiful mobility into your sides. Rotational flexibility. Maybe some adjustments as your body resets itself where it needs to be. It gets moved off in different directions through different factors. And Pilates comes in and smooths it all out. 1 more time each side. All right, single leg stretch. Head and shoulders off the mat. Revisiting a classic, or if this is your first time, welcome. Take the fingers here or left hand on the knee, right hand to the outside. We're going to pull in towards the chest, extending the other leg out. Stabilizing from the center as if you're anchored onto the mat. Hello, dragonfly. Inhale, switch. Exhale, pull, or here. Smooth movements, always working from your strong center outward. I love teaching Pilates. I haven't filmed Pilates in a couple weeks, and I missed it. Like one of my best friends. Like, why haven't we talked on the phone? Why haven't we went out and got coffee? I love the discipline of Pilates. The feeling I get when I do it, the lengthening, the core strengthening, the elevation of my mood, the expansion of everything. Just right here, stabilizing. In an exercise like this, I've done this thousands of times. When I slow it down, when I focus on it, I discover something new. There's a new challenge. It's always a beautiful challenge that leaves me feeling very refreshed and energized. 1 more time each side. Pull. Pull. Excellent. Let's bring it up to hands and knees position. Bird dog revisited. Give a quick check of our beautiful lake here. Hands under the shoulders. Now we're gonna hold it right here. Right leg back, shoulders back, elbows in. Hip is square. If you want more, extend the left arm. 5 breaths. If you like, add a little pulse here. Little pulse up and down, stabilizing against the movement of the arm and the leg. That's what your core is doing, always stabilizing. You can get off the mat there. There we go. The ants get excited. All right, hold, 2 more breaths, stretch it out. I love that word, expansion, expanding what you have. Okay, other side. Just the left leg or extend the right arm as well. Nice base of operations here. Tuck this hip down slightly. Crown of the head reaching forward, pulsing if you like. And 5 breaths. In the nose, out the mouth. Enjoy the breeze. Getting some pliability in your lower back. One more breath. Sometimes my breaths are way slower than everybody else's. Okay, extend, 2 breaths. Oh, that's good stuff. Hands forward, press it back, child's pose, stretching out the spine, stretching out the low back, swaying side to side. Fingers are open wide. Blood flow happening, encouraging beautiful blood flow to all parts of the body, especially into the back. Something sticking into my hand, that's extra credit. All right, forward and forearms down. Ooh, that mat's getting hot. This must be Florida. Okay, we have a baby cobra. Shoulders back, we're gonna do a little pulse here. Gonna exhale, lower down. Nice stretch. Inhale, lift. Relax the shoulders, extend the legs back. Let's do 3 more. I like to keep it pretty basic beginner, but there's always an element of challenge. I want to show you a glimpse of where these will go, because you will acclimate to these. Your body will adapt in real time if you stay consistent, if you practice, and your body will hunger for more. You'll be excited about it. So keep checking back to this channel. Just type in Sean Vigue Pilates anywhere and enjoy the buffet. Let's do one more extra credit, as always. Stretch, stretch, stretch. And lift. Shoulders back, tall, open in the chest. Now let's do a little row. You can stay in the baby cobra or move into the row, R-O-W. We're gonna pull the arms back right here. Inhale, reach forward a little bit. Feel that stretch, feel the challenge. Then exhale, pull. Let's do 3 more. Small movement, you can keep your feet down if you like. This is a precursor to the breaststroke in Pilates. So this works your way into it. Practice this. Breaststroke is reaching all the way forward, legs open, pull the arms back, legs close. Something to work up to. Let's finish off this sequence with a swim, extending the arms and legs out. It's merely opposite arm, opposite leg. Inhale, lift, exhale, down. You pick how high you are going. Most of the time your body will tell you how high you're going to go. But you're prodding your body. You're gently prodding it to improve, to expand, to open up, to become more limber and pliable. Let's do 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Child's pose. Excellent, comma, child's pose. Okay. That's an excellent child's pose too. We press back, we sway side to side. Oh, this is the massage your back has needed. The swimming is the extra credit portion of this class. But I say let's just go into it. Don't even give a big intro to it. Just go. Arms forward, opposite arm, opposite leg. When you're ready. You can keep your forehead down. The brim of my cap is currently preventing that. Beautiful stuff, my friends. 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, press it up, back to child's pose, and let's just call it a day right there. This is basic beginner. Well done, my friends. Ooh, I hope you feel good. Which exercise was your favorite here? And if this video helped, I highly encourage you to hit the like button, subscribe button, and click the notification bell to never miss one of my workouts. Thanks so much, everybody. It really helps this channel, it helps it grow, it helps more new content come out all the time. So keep sharing it on. And this is just the beginning of your exciting Pilates journey. Pilates for everybody, Pilates for athletes, for the couch potato, it does not matter. Start here and then grow. Pleasure, my friends. We'll see you next time.